Intuit TurboTax will guide you through the process of entering your required minimum distribution, or RMD. Begin the navigation by clicking on Tax Home, and then Wages and Income, pick up where you left off. Scroll to Retirement Plans and Social Security and select 1099-R. Form 1099-R shows how much money you got from your retirement accounts, like pensions and annuities. The IRS says you need to start taking money out of these accounts when you turn 72. If you turn 72 after December 31st, 2022, you can wait until you're 73. Your 1099-R won't show how much money you need to take out, but when you enter your 1099-R information in TurboTax, you'll be asked a series of questions. This is important because if you don't take out enough money, the IRS may charge you a penalty. The type of distribution will show as a code in box 7. Begin by entering your payer information and then go to the next screen. Use the question mark beside the distribution code in box 7. This will open up the TurboTax FAQ with all the distribution codes that are possible in the 1099-R. It's most important for you to put in the codes that are shown on your 1099-R. The most common are codes 1, 7, and G. RMD rules apply to all employer-sponsored retirement plans, such as pension, profit sharing, 401k, 403b, and 457b plans, as well as traditional IRAs and IRA-based plans such as SEPs, salary reduction SEPs, and simple IRAs. RMDs are not required for Roth IRAs while the owner is still alive. It's always a good idea to check with your plan administrator to make sure you take your RMD. For more answers to your questions, visit ttlc.intuit.com/community.